tetra, the angelfish, white canary,
That's the black angelfish.
black angelfish. What do you name a black
This
angel?
is rainbow shark.
Chubby,
This
where's Chubby?
chubby and chubby. Here's the chubby. There is the gourami.
Yum, 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 yum.
He's cleaning the aquarium. That's the black angelfish, and this is the white angelfish.
What do you name a black angelfish? You name him
Name her. You name her what? That's the Plico cleaning the aquarium. Look at that.
What do you name your Plico?
Diba si Plico, what's the name of Bruno?
I'll name him Bruno. But the black angelfish, you name him
Huh?
black angelfish. You call him
Hey, you call her is a girl?
Kana the black angelfish.
Yeah.
What's the name of your black angelfish?
Huh?
What's the name of your black angelfish?
What's the name?
Yeah.